the best headlight restoration. You saw the before and after, and you already have these ingredients in your home. So allow me to show you just how bad the headlights were. Really incredible, huh? Well, would you believe some simple ingredients such as baking soda and lemon juice would be the best headlight cleaner you can use? Well, let me show you why this works. First, we'll use a half a cup of lemon juice. Then we'll add it in with a half a cup of baking soda. Now this is just to show you guys an example, because once I did this example, I'm going to show you guys by adding another half a cup to this. This way I'll use this exact recipe for headlight cleaning. But look at the reaction between the baking soda and the lemon juice. Watch this. Pretty incredible. The baking soda acts as an abrasive, and between the lemon juice, it allows it to basically clean the headlights off themselves. All you need to do is apply. And I'm using some masking tape to go around it. However, I personally have had no issue. Just make sure to wash it all off once you're finished, and always follow the manufacturer's recommendations. As you can see, this is what I previously made, and now we'll go ahead and apply it to the headlights since I've stirred it up once again. Unbelievable results. This stuff just comes right off. And as I said, I didn't pay an extra nickel for this. It was already in my home. Much better than using all the toothpaste for many reasons. But you make the choice. It's yours. I would like to say any information that you can give is greatly appreciated. Any tips that you may know of. And once we're finished, you can see we add the water in, and we'll move on to this next headlight. As I said, the reaction between the baking soda, which acts as an abrasive, almost like sandpaper. Not quite as bad, depending on what you're using, of course. Then the lemon juice actually allows it to move around and clean up this headlight. Of course, applying some pressure definitely helps. Thanks for watching.